Ashi is going to say body parts in Malayalam. Ashi, say your body parts.
Camera.
Yeah.
What?
Show your body parts and tell in Malayalam.
Body parts in Tamil, Malayalam.
Malayalam.
I know. Kannu, nakku,
Hey, show me. It's all.
nak,
Nak. Where is Chevi?
chivi. 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 Just give me some.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Mridula taught me, so I remember.
Okay.
Kannu,
Ah.
nakku, chivi. Can you help me?
Grace helper.
Nak. Nak in Hindi also is nak. Nak means nose. But this is nak.
Your tongue is nak. What you said is nak in suck.
What's that? This is nak. Nak. Nak.
This is mook.
This is mook.
This is nak.
This is nak.
Chund.
Chund. In Hindi na, it is kan, it is nak, and it is muk.
That is.
Hot. Hot. Okay, I understood. Nak, tongue is nak. Muk. Okay, muk.
Just think it as chumban as a chund.
Chund.
Wow, Grace, you scored.
Chumma chund.
Everyone is playing with me because I was telling it wrong, but I have learned everything. Now I am going to show the Saparna that I know everything. Some burning smell is coming. What did you just burn?
I burned my curry.
She burned her curry.
And I
Which fish curry which you burned?
like cheera I burned, and next time the second time I
Oh,
burned
this
after
cheera.
the second
Yes, I
batch
know.
of cheera curry.
Cheera.
Cheera, yeah, spinach.
Oh, because I'll tell you how it got burned. She put it on the gas and she came to me to ask me Malayalam questions. So basically it got burned. He was making fun of me a lot, you know. I came to show you off something. I will keep the camera here. No, it's not coming.
Okay.
You look here.
Yeah.
Mudi.
Then
She is laughing, that's why my confidence level is going down. See, just because she is laughing, that's why my confidence level is down.
okay. Ashi cheer. Ashi show.
Mudi, Nak, Chund, Chund, Chivi, Netram, Kanna, Mukk, Mukam, Mook, Mugam. Right? Mugam. This time I learned. She was degrading me a lot, you know. She was asking me, I forgot a bit, and she was saying you forgot the Malayalam. Actually, she doesn't know Malayalam. Though she is born and brought up in Calicut, but she doesn't know Malayalam. I know more Malayalam than her. I know more Malayalam than her. At least this girl is nice. She teaches me nicely. This girl only laughs and makes videos of me. Now also she is laughing. See? Shameless. Instead of teaching me, she laughs at me.
I am your best friend. I am your true friend. That is why I am.
The true friend makes a video The true friend is taking the camera, asking me the question. She knows I doesn't know the answer, and then she laughs behind the camera. And the one whom she is calling fake friend is the one who is teaching me the right Malayalam words. She is giving me references so that I can learn forever. She told me so many good things so that I can learn. That girl she is calling fake. See? Now you tell me one thing in Hindi. खाना खाया? छोड़ दो मुझे. After watching one movie, na, she have learned this. Okay, tell me. Where are you going? In Hindi. I can tell in Malayalam.
Where are you going?
एवड़े वाह.
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
She told you.
Next.
In Malayalam it is ivide. Ivideya.
Avide po. How to say in Malayalam?
Ivide po. It is in Malayalam. She is asking me, say ivide po, how to say in Malayalam. Basically she is saying in Malayalam. So we are in a Mallu kitchen now. So in Mallu kitchen something is being made. And
Something is burning, something is cooking.
This is-
something is again cooking.
this is I know.
Cheera.
Cheera.
Ah.
Cheera. And that is chor. That is chor.
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 In Hindi it's kallan.
In Hindi what is it?
Kallan.
Kallan.
Kallan. Thief. And Hindi.
Oh, chor.
Chor means thief.
Thief.
Sorry, in Malayalam, chor means.
So if one chor comes to me, say kallan, kallan, kallan. Kallan, okay. And this is shakra. No, this is oil. I thought Panjasara. Panjasara. Panjasara is sugar. Aparna is cooking food. Oh no. Aparna Bhakshanam making Inda koi. Inda Kugan. See that she is so nice girl. She is teaching me. The moment when I ask any question, I look at her. She is laughing in the same way. Look here, look here, look here. Show your unfaithful face. See, she is laughing like this whenever I am looking and asking what is it. And when I look at Grace, she is nicely telling me. There are some good Malayalis and some good Malayalis. Now you should differentiate which are the good Malayalis and good Malayalis. Okay, do not take it that way. No, there are good Malayalis and good Malayalis. Because some Malus taught me some bad words. They are good people, but they told me bad words and asked me to recite in front of everyone. So that was really bad. I was lucky that no one has beaten me. That was the luckiest part. Good Malayalis and good Malayalis.
We should first teach her all the bad words. So
They
she
will start with bad words.
Yeah. No, do not teach me bad words.
We don't know bad words.
We do not bad. What do you call mustard seed in Malayalam?
Kadug.
Kadug. Okay. Chirpayar is green dal. Okay. Chirpayar.
Oh.
Low the flame. See, she is saving herself from that board. And I am standing here. She is letting me stand and burn. And teaching me Malayalam of it. Then she will teach me Malayalam of getting burned. I'll go from here. Let them cook. Anyway, I learned this much of Malayalam. Now I am a pro. Now I have to learn. After when I say Cheta Etrei, from 1 to 10 I know. After that I have to learn. Otherwise, whenever they say some hard words, Mupadanjar or something, I'm like, Cheta, how much? Then they're like, yes, come on. So anyway, I will learn that very soon with the right teacher. So as now I'm living with the local people, so now I'm getting to know what are the events going on all around. So that's how I landed up in Tarang event. तो पहले भी तरंग इवेंट होता था बट मुझे पता नहीं था ये सब क्या होता है, लेकिन जब मेरे ये सब फ्रेंड्स बने तभी मुझे पता चला। इसलिए अच्छा होता है कि आप लोकल जो फ्रेंड्स हैं वो बनाए ताकि आपको पता चले। There are so many outstanding performances going on over there, like baby, baby, baby. I think you can't hear me. She is busy. And you can't even see us. So many performances are going on and we are on the head of the stage because we were not able to see that. And some very good performances happened over here. Now I learned more Malayalam song. It's a Malayalam song, right? Baby, baby. I learned that song. Okay. लास्ट 2 years में केरला में बस KSRTC से घूमती थी, जितना भी मुझे पता चल पाता था कमेंट्स पढ़ने के बाद। लेकिन अब जब मेरे यहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स बने हैं तो मुझे नई नई चीज़ों के बारे में ऑटोमेटिकली पता चलने लगा है। दैट्स व्हाई आई प्रेफर टू लिव विद द मलयाली पीपल सो दैट आई कैन गेट टू नो मोर थिंग्स। अब आप देख सकते हो ये कॉम्पिटिशन। ये जो कॉन्टेस्ट था इसमें आपको 15 kgs को होल्ड करना था ऑलमोस्ट फॉर 10 seconds। सो जिसमें मैं जीत गई हूँ, मुझे 100 रुपीज़ का विनिंग प्राइज भी मिला है। नाउ आई एम एट डोमिनोज। शी इज आस्किंग व्हाई देयर आर प्राइस डिफरेंसेस इन मोबाइल एंड while we are doing it from the app. This big companies they are charging so much taxes and all. She is going for an argument that why there are differences in charges in application and like in real. Anyway, today we both just came, like we both were feeling like we are always sitting at home, we are not going anywhere. So we thought like let's go and eat something outside. But to come here we spent more than 1 hour. Why? Because our Activa was not starting. So we just borrowed Activa from some of the girl, and we actually borrowed it from Grace, and now we came over here. Our situation is really very bad. In Kerala right now the weather is so hot. So we didn't feel like cooking, and Tarang is going on. Yeah, what did you find?
It's for veg pizza.
Veg pizza is less.
Veg pizza is 299 and for non-veg is 359.
Oh, so that's why veg and non-veg. Let's go and sit there. It's too high. We are sitting on the bar chairs, so it's like too much on the top. Our order number. Are they making our order or not? It's so dirty here.
Let's ask them to clean.
Let's check.
Cheta.
Cheta will be tired of her. Anything is happening, she's calling Cheta. Ask him Cheta. 151 is our order number. Are you preparing? See, she's going also. Cheta. 2-3 times he has done Cheta. This Cheta is going to kill us because we are bothering him a lot. 151. Kere means?
Like they are preparing.
And what about cleaning this? This is so dirty.
Cleaning, they will clean anyway.
They will clean anyway. So Aparna has done 2 works. So we were just discussing right now that when we are hungry, we should never go to supermarket because we end up buying unnecessary things. And why am I saying all this together? Because bank account is empty. When bank account is full, that time we are like buying anything like that. No issues. I feel like I am like the goddess. I can buy anything. I can do anything. हम दोनों जा रहे हैं तरंग के लिए। तरंग यहाँ पे होने वाला एक प्रोग्राम है जो मैं आपको ऑलरेडी दिखा चुकी हूँ। और हम दोनों ने पहले, मतलब आप बैचलर्स की लाइफ देखिए, हमने पहले ग्रॉसरी शॉपिंग की, फिर कुछ खाया और अब हम जा रहे हैं। दिस प्रोग्राम हैज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 6 PM and now it's like 9 PM. This was the time when it was supposed to get over, and we are going at this time just because we had to buy groceries for the month. That's a realistic bachelor life. So girls, do not dream of a good bachelor life when you're planning to move out from your house. It is going to be very challenging, okay? Aparna, am I right?
Yeah.
It's very challenging. Okay, so now it's dark, so I am turning off the camera. Bye. बेसिकली इन्फो पार्क में जो लाइफ है वो इसलिए ज़्यादा अच्छी है बिकॉज यहाँ पे इतने सारे इवेंट्स होते रहते हैं. आपका एम्प्लॉय जो इंगेजमेंट है वो नेचुरली यहाँ पर हो जाता है, कंपनी के थ्रू भी और आउटसाइड द कंपनी ऑल्सो. बिकॉज ये जो प्रोग्राम है ये कंपनीज़ ने मिलकर कराया है, तो हर कोई इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर सकता है. और आप देख सकते हो लोग यहाँ पे कितना एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. अगर आप भी मेरी तरह केरला में कुछ टाइम रहेंगे ना, तो आपको मलयालम सॉन्ग, तमिल सॉन्ग, तेलुगु सॉन्ग, इन सब की प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी और आप इन सब पे डांस कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज मलयालीज एंजॉय द वाइब ऑफ एवरी सॉन्ग. सो दैट्स हाउ व्हाट आई हैव लर्न. तो ये था मेरा आज का पूरा व्लॉग. आपको कैसा लगा आप मुझे बताइएगा और कमेंट में बताइएगा कि आपका फेवरेट पार्ट कौन सा था और केरला में आपकी फेवरेट जगह कौन सी है.